Welcome to WordPress Automatic Plugin. In this demo video, we'll learn how to use the plugin to post quality content to our WordPress blog from various sources like eZine articles, feeds, YouTube, Amazon, ClickBank, Flickr, and eBay. Here's a new dead blog without content. Let's create our first campaign. Write a reference title. Choose campaign type. Write your keywords the plugin will use to get content. Tick this option to set keywords as tagged. Set desired number of posts. Post template for title and content is loaded by default, but you can edit them to change the format of the post. Hover any tag to know its usage and what will it be replaced for. Choose your post type. Custom post types are supported. Choose post author. Choose post status. Tick this option if you like to spin the post before posting. Hyperlink keywords with your affiliate link. Tick this option to strip links from the content before posting. Set first image as featured image. Now you can also save images to your server. Here you can set words that must be in the post content. And here you can set words that must not be in the post content. Tick this option if you want to translate the content before posting. You can translate the content twice. Tick this option if you like to set custom fields for the post. Various tags supported to choose from. Unlimited number of custom fields can be set. Now, hit Publish. Our campaign is published and ready for processing. Click Run now. New post added successfully. You can run the campaign as many times as you like. New post added successfully. You can also set the plugin to post for you. Just choose your preferred interval. Let's add a feeds campaign where we can post from feeds directly to our blog. Write a reference title. Choose campaign type. Here's a test feed with truncated content. Copy and paste the URL. And tick this option to make the plugin fetch full content from summary feed. Set other options. Now, hit Publish. Click Run now. New post added successfully. Full content post fetched successfully from summary feed. featured image was set automatically. Now let's add on Amazon campaign to post products from Amazon sites with our affiliate links. Choose campaign type. Write a reference title. Write your keywords the plugin will use to get content. Choose the category. You can specify a browse node ID, which is a subcategory. Just click the link to find your desired node. Tick if you like to set a price range. Choose Localized Site. Set other options. Now hit Publish. Click Run Now. New post added successfully. Affiliate link automatically set for you. And let's add a ClickBank campaign to post products from ClickBank with our affiliate links. Write a reference title. Write your keywords the plugin will use to get content. Choose the category. Choose sorting order. Set other options. Now hit Publish. Click Run Now. New post added successfully. Affiliate link automatically set for you. Let's add a YouTube campaign to post videos for keywords or from a specific channel. Write your keywords the plugin will use to get content. Tick this option to post from a specific user. Here, you can write the user ID which appears in the user link. And tick this option to post all from this user without filtering. Choose sorting order. Choose the category. Set other options. Click Run Now. New post added successfully. Let's add a Flickr campaign to post images from Flickr. Write your keywords the plugin will use to get content. Tick this option to set keywords as tags. Now tick this option to post from a specific user. Here, you can write the user ID which appears in the user link. Now tick this option to post all from this user without filtering. Choose sorting order. Set other options. Click Run now. New post added successfully. Let's add an eBay campaign to post auctions with our affiliate links. Choose campaign type. Write a reference title. Write your keywords the plugin will use to get content. Now tick this option to post from a specific user. Here, you can write the user ID which appears in the user link. And tick this option to post all from this user without filtering. Choose Localize Site. Choose the category. Choose Listing Type. Choose Sorting Order. Tick if you like to set a price range. Set other options. Now, hit Publish. Click Run now. New post added successfully. Affiliate link automatically set for you. Let's see the plugin settings. Here, you can add your API keys for various sources. You can also set search and replace for specified words and phrases. Add your ads codes to be appended automatically. You can also use proxies if you like. Plugin has a built-in cron to use, or use the link in the box to set a cron job. As you can see, we create unlimited number of campaigns that work together to post quality content for you. Unlimited campaigns with unlimited possibilities. What are you waiting for? Grab your copy now.